Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great, where is it at? Where is it at? The great sunshine state of Florida. And today, it's Labor Day. The dog's in the back. They're enjoying the sun as well. Brody. What's up? Say hey, Brody. 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 Don't be scared. Brody. So today I'm gonna be making some I think they call like St. Louis style ribs, but I'm gonna try it a different way. I'm gonna grill it traditionally, and I'm gonna try out this recipe with Italian dressing. Yeah, you're right. You heard that right. Italian dressing. So, as usual, if this is your first time checking out the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon for future uploads, and yeah, check out my previous vids as well. And I'm doing my Sunday slash Labor Day quarantine cooks, even though the quarantine is over, but I still do my cooking for my cooking peeps who like to cook. Same thing with the car peeps who like to cook as well. Yep, so today we're gonna do those barbecue riblets. Labor Day, usually up north, like when I lived in Philly and New York, Labor Day is usually like the end of the big summer celebration, but in Florida it's hot all year round. So we get to barbecue all year round. But as you can see, my mango trees are doing good. Then I got my little papaya tree right there. So yeah, can't beat it. Now let's get to the video. All right, peeps, so here's the meat all seasoned up. All I got on there is some seasoned salt, some black pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. I got it all seasoned up, marinating down. I got it on to keep it room temperature. I got it here on the stove till I get the grill ready to go. And then I'm gonna separate half and half, and I'm gonna do the little Italian dressing on this one, and then just traditional on this one, just in case it doesn't turn out right. But I'm going to experiment a little with the Italian dressing. So this is the Italian dressing. I got 2 bottles, but what I'm gonna do is got some of these habaneros slash I have some frozen Scotch bonnet. I might just use a Scotch bonnet. Oh no, they're falling out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this, put it in my little Ninja. I'm gonna put a Scotch bonnet in there, and I'm gonna blend it up to kick up the Italian dressing a notch. Then also I'm gonna roast some corn on the grill. So that's how I'm gonna do the Italian with a little bit of kick to it. I think it will come out awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll just pour the whole thing in here, see how much I have. After I one should be good. And then I'm gonna take, I already washed it off, one old Scotch bonnet, drop it in there. Should be tight. And what do we do with this? Blend. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. I think it's all blended up in there now. So now let me open this up and give it a, see how much pepper's in there. So I'm gonna taste it a little bit. Still got a little pepper to it, not much. So I'm gonna just take it and I'm gonna dredge it over the riblets. Got it all dredged over the riblets. And then what I'm gonna do, just mix it up, cover it up, and let it soak in, and then I'm gonna throw it on the grill along with the regular ones, but I'm gonna keep these separated. Should come out pretty excellent. All that vinegarness of the Italian dressing should, help tenderize or soak that flavor into the meat. So next time, we're gonna see him going on the grill. All right, a food break. If you guys remember, look, it's Harold, who usually eats my citrus stuff. Our citrus plant died. Well, it's out of fruit, so I always get cuties and I try and feed Harold. So there's Harold snacking on a cutie. He's looking up at me. He's like, yo, why you interrupting my food? It's all good, Harold. Carry on. Carry on, Harold. Free range, Harold. So guys, that's our free range turtle. And here's the grill. Got my charcoal in it. It's all ready to go. Just heating it up, and now I'm gonna go and get the riblets so I could stack it up with the riblets. And that's it. And there's the citrus plant that Harold used to eat. But as you can see, he's putting new leaves and he was out of citrus, so I buy cuties for Harold. All right, I got the grill up to temperature. Whew. I'm gonna go ahead and put, these right here is the Italian. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on there. Hear that sizzle, guys? You know, I mean business. The grill is open when you hear that sizzle. Alright guys, so they're on there. Ooh, smells good already, believe it or not. As that, you can see, like, look at that. That's that Scotch bonnet that's left over from the pulse. So you know it's gonna have a little kick to it. So I'm gonna just take those little Scotch bonnet pieces, put it on there. Even though when I flip it over, I think they're gonna fall off, but that's the start of them. We'll come back and check on them in a few. So I just did my first flip on them. Check them out. Coming along pretty well. So that's the first flip. Got those up top, gotta flip those since run out of space, and then rotate them as needed. Man, smells delicious. Hope you guys are enjoying your Labor Day festivities and barbecue, and hope it's gonna be as delicious as this one. Now I'm just finished roasting up some corn. Then the meal will be ready. A tip that I use, or a trick that I use when I roast my corn, is I soak them in a tub of water for about 30 to 40 minutes. So that way the moisture in there could help steam and cook them, and they're not so dry when you take them out of the grill. And yes, the dog is still outside. All right guys, have it done. I have some regular barbecue riblets right here, and then these are the Italian with the Scotch bonnet pepper, and of course I have some roasted corn. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. It's very juicy, as you can see, very juicy and flexible. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a bite. Wow. Delicious. This is something that you guys should definitely try. It's quick, it's easy. Taste it one more time. Wow, yeah, delicious. Got a little kick from the Scotch bonnet pepper. Got that smoke from the grill. Definitely try this. You'll definitely love it. I think it would taste very well. I think it tastes very good on chicken breast or some chicken as well. And as usual, guys, if this is your first time checking out the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon for future uploads. And definitely give me a thumbs up, share, and comment down below. All it is, a little bit of salt and pepper, Italian dressing, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Delicious. Thanks for watching the videos.
I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, with no love.